The magical sounds of Y. Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore the four sounds of the letter Y. Do you know the letter Y can sound like a consonant or a vowel? Let's break it down with example so you will never get confused again. Let's explore the four voices of Y. Y as a consonant. Y makes a y sound when it comes at the beginning of a word. Example yellow, yes, yarn. Y also makes a y sound when it comes in a multisyllable words before a vowel. So here it comes before a vowel and so Y is making a y sound. Player, royal. These are examples of the Y making the y sound. Y has a short I. Now Y makes a short I sound when it appears at the middle in the middle of a word. Example gym, meat, system, crystal, syrup. So these are all the examples when Y makes the short I sound when it appears at the middle of the word. Y has long I. Y makes a long I sound when it appears at the end of a one syllable word. So if the word is just one syllable, then Y makes long I sound. Cry, buy, my, fly, sky, shy are the example. And whenever Y is at the end and it is having a two syllables word, Y makes the long E sound. Example baby, mummy, daddy, funny, bunny. So whenever Y comes at the end of the word and it has a two syllable word, it will make a long E sound. And if it just has a one syllable word like my, cry, then Y will make here the long I sound. So we have learned that Y has a four sound. That is, Y has a consonant when it comes at the beginning or before a vowel in a two syllable word. It makes the y sound. Y makes the short I sound. Then the Y also makes the long I sound when it comes at the end of the one syllable words. And Y makes a long E sound when it comes at the end of a two syllables word. I hope you have understood this different sounds of Y. Thank you.